Hey, what's up guys, it's me James host guys. Today I'm going to show you how to download Photoshop CS6 in just 73 MBs. It's just 73.7 MBs. You need to download an application for extracting it. If you extract it through WinRAR, it will not it will show you an error, or open it through WinRAR, it will not show you folder is empty. When you open it through 7-zip, it will show you it's having files, it will not show you it's empty. You install 7-zip for it or only, and the link of this file is given in description, and the link of 7-zip is also given in description. You can download from there. So we'll extract it through 7-zip. The password is simply 123. The password is also simply given, also given in description. You can copy from there. So it has been extracted. We'll give it aside and put it in front. Okay, now before continuing, I will say that if you are new in the channel, please subscribe to the channel and please press thumbs up and comment what we need to improve in our channel. Thanks guys. Now we'll get started. What we need to do is we need to open the crack key. If you will open the setup directly, it will ask you for a key. I will show you what will it ask. I accept the agreement. Next, select the path. I will create a desktop icon, so I'll click on it. If you want, you can also click here. It wants a license key. For that, that's given here. Copy this 8meh dot, paste it here. Next, install. It's installing now. Wait for a while. Keep this aside and get this front. Now click yes. It's full extended. It's showing that it's extended, you can see. Okay guys, it has been installed. I can do anything whatever you want to do. Like I want to gradient, can do anything whatever you want. Whatever you want, you can do here. Everything whatever you want. Whatever you want to do. Like I'll do this one. So thanks for watching guys. If you liked our video, please press thumbs up and comment on our video and share our video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like.
The beat drops out.